Initially came in with a lot of tension up here, pretty sharp pain in your neck, right? And this area was like a block of cement, and you're very sensitive. Come all the way. Oh man, that was really nice actually. It's crazy how this totally transformed. Nice. Hey, you ready for the Y strap? No, I was kidding. Surprise! Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Actually, you got 20 degrees in the wrong direction. Whew.
Yep.
Yep. Nice. Ooh. You know what's good about that one is because that one is causing your head to turn to your right, and turning right was actually your bad direction.
It was, yeah.
Was. Turn your head both ways. You good there? Love it. Love it. What would your life be different if you didn't come in?
Oh gosh, yes.
I know. How would it be different though?
Oh, well, I would maybe turn that way or this way, and it would be the sharp pain.
It was sharp too, right? Yeah,
it
it's
was.
crazy.
It was pretty horrible.
So when did you notice that the most? Like driving or?
Yeah, it would be like random movements. If I like a quick turn or if I like went to reach back for something, it would be like, oh gosh.
It's like a jolt, huh? Jeez.
Yeah.
You don't get that anymore?
No.
Amazing.